In today's lesson, we will be dividing decimals. Please make sure you are writing down the notes on the notes page provided. Today, we'll be dividing 2 and 52/100ths divided by 2.1 or 2 and 1/10. When dividing decimals, you need to follow certain steps. Step 1. Move the decimal in the divisor to the right to make it a whole number. In this case, we will move the decimals in 2 and 1/10 over to the right one time, which will make that look like 21. Step 2. Move the decimal in the dividend the same number of places to the right. Since we moved our decimal point one place to the right in our divisor, we're going to move our decimal one place to the right in our dividend. Now that looks like 25.2. It's important to know that you need to place the decimal in the quotient directly above the decimal in the dividend. Also, don't forget to divide normally, adding zeros to the dividend if needed. Let's divide. 21 goes into 25 one time. 1 times 21 is 21. When we subtract 25 minus 21, we end up with a remainder of 4. Now we're going to bring down our 2. 21 goes into 42 2 times. 42 minus 42 is going to give us 0. We know that 2 and 52/100ths divided by 2 and 1/10 is going to give us 1.2 or 1 and 2/10. Remember to place the decimal directly above the decimal in the dividend. Please use these steps when dividing decimals. Have a great day.